How to change your username on Instagram? So first open Instagram app and click here profile icon and click here three dot and click here account center and click here profile and click here Instagram profile and click here username and click here username and set your new username. Okay, my new username available and click here back and done, click here done and okay, my username change successfully complete. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like and share please.